Aging well is my favorite subject, and this video is about prepping your beautiful legs just in time for their red carpet debut on Memorial Day. Can you believe it's just around the corner? So I'm going to share with you in this video my 3-step routine to provide some extra loving care to our legs so they're ready for shorts, summer dresses, and yes, even bathing suits. Let's get started. The most important thing you can do is prepare properly. And the same is true when we're looking after our legs. So the first step that I always use is to make sure that the skin on my legs is its most soft, supple, exfoliated skin as possible. You know that throughout the year, I love to use the body lotion Alpha. It has the AHA glycolic acid in it at 12%. It's a beautiful way to moisturize and exfoliate throughout the year. I want to employ the most powerful reset to achieve that beautiful, soft, supple skin. And I do so at the beginning of the summer in one of two ways. First, I would pull out my body exfoliator from Necessaire. This is a beautiful exfoliator. It's a combination chemical and physical exfoliator, which means it has a beautiful soft consistency with a little bit of sand-like feeling as well. I find that if I use a mitt and I apply this to my legs, I get a wonderful, soft, supple skin. And this year, I've been using something for me is brand new as my powerful way to exfoliate, that little bit of extra. And what I'm using is the product from Necessaire, which is called the Body Retinol. The ingredients are exceptional. It has a 0.1% retinol, AHA, peptides, vitamins, and glycerin. I apply this the night before. It has a moisturizing feel to it, but it's a really powerful way to restart our skin. I find that this step ensures that my next morning shower and shave of my legs will be close, gentle, and effective, exactly what I'm looking for. Step number 2 is next morning in the shower, I'm going to shave my legs. Now, I don't know what your personal preference is about shaving your legs, but I do find that when I want to have the closest shave possible, I find it's helpful to me to use some sort of shaving lotion. I have used for quite a while this one, Venus by Gillette. Yes, it is definitely unscented. It's also without parabens, no dyes, no silicone, no perfume. I've also had this bottle a very long time, so I find it's very concentrated and I only use the tiniest pump while I'm shaving. After shaving, I'll then pat my body dry and consider putting on a moisturizer or a body oil, one without any fragrance, one without any acids, because now my body is very sensitive, having just shaved. So I'm very particular. I will always be happy to put the Necessaire body lotion, which is fragrance-free, as an option. I'm also happy to include the CeraVe moisturizing lotion. Anything really that has no acids in it, just in case I've accidentally have any tiny nicks as I've shaved my legs. I want to make sure that my body isn't vulnerable and certainly don't want to experience any stinging at all. A body oil that I've been quite happy with, because it's a very simple body oil, is one from Osea. I've used this for a very long time. I love it. I'm sure there are lots of body oils that you love to use. Just make sure that they're natural so they don't create any sensitivity to our skin. for me, the next step is to self-tan. And I always, throughout the year, apply a little bit of self-tanner to my legs. And over the years, though I've tried many, many brands, and this is not sponsored, my favorite brand is Saint-Tropez. And this classic self-tan has become my favorite. The most important thing with any brand of self-tanner that you use are, I would say, 3 things. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you love the subject of aging well, consider subscribing to the channel. We'd love to have you. We talk about skincare and healthy eating and exercise and styling so that we can look as good as we feel. Please join us. We'd love to have you. Number 1, always use a glove. Apply the liquid or the foam, I prefer the foam myself, I find it's easier to control, to the mitt, never your hands, and apply the glove to your body in a circular motion. I find it's the easiest way to make sure that you don't miss a space of your body. The other tip is to make sure that you've read the bottle not once but twice. Every self-tanner is slightly different. I've learned that for me, I prefer having the slightest bit of a golden tan rather than a really deep bronze tan. As a result, I try to exercise patience when I'm applying the self-tan. So I find a very little bit goes a very long way. I read the instructions. For me, with this self-tanner, I let it absorb into my skin for 8 hours, and then I shower off. I have found that's a very successful way to find that at the end of the time period, you have a light golden tan. Just what I was looking for. After I've completed my self-tan, I'll wait till the next day and return to my daily moisturizing of my body. I don't use anything with acids, and I don't exfoliate, just for a couple of days, letting the tanner to just do its magic. It's a personal preference, but I'm happy if my bronzer is just a mild brown. If you're someone who wants to create a deeper, richer bronze, perhaps you will repeat the steps of your self-tanner to create exactly the self-tan quality and color that you're looking for. That's it for me. I hope that's helpful. It really is time to do all those last minute things to make sure our body is ready for the summer. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate the time that you give me. Get up, get dressed, be happy. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.